Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Operating Systems class 15EC and 17EC 553 subject code. In today's class, we shall start our module 3 memory management. This is lecture number 1 of module 3. In this class, we shall try to have a brief look into the contents of the module 3. What are all the things we are going to study? The module 3, the name signifying memory management, it has been classified into two sub topics. First thing will be learning about different allocation techniques, and in the next part we'll be learning about the virtual memory concepts. Okay, let us have a look into the contents of module 3. We'll be starting straight away with the contiguous memory allocation, non-contiguous memory allocation, paging, segmentation, segmentation with paging, and these 5 topics comprises a comprise allocation comes under the memory allocation topic. And next thing is virtual memory management. In that you will be learning about paging hardware and VM hardware. VM handler, in the sense VM is virtual memory. These two things you'll be studying under the demand paging topic. And after that you'll be learning different replacement paging policies, that is FIFO and LRU. FIFO stands for first in first out. LRU, these two policies we'll be learning in this class. And we'll be winding up the module 3 um, with 8 topics. And in the 8th topic, that is FIFO and LRU, probably you'll be solving few problems, and you can expect one, yes, either 8 or 10 marks problems in an exam. Okay, so the textbook you'll be learning, you'll be using the same textbook, that is DM Damdare Operating Systems as a concept based approach, second edition. I repeat again, you'll be using the DM Damdare Operating System textbook, that is second edition. And as I said, the module 3 has been classified into two sections. One is memory allocation and other is the virtual memory. So you referring to chapter 5 and chapter 6 of the second edition of the Damdare operating system book. So if we try to have an insight into this, you'll be learning the contiguous, non-contiguous paging, segmentation and segmentation with paging under chapter 5, starting from section 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8 and 5.9 and 5.9. And the virtual memory you'll be referring to the chapter 6, and you'll be referring starting from the chapter, that is from introduction till 6.1, 6.2 and 6.3. And under 6.3 you'll be learning about the FIFO and LRU page replacement policies. Other replacement policies are there, but we are sticking to FIFO and LRU only. Okay, so this module is not vast, but we need to learn this carefully, because in this module we are not starting with what is memory, what types of memories are there, and what is meant by memory allocation and all. So straight away your syllabus is starting with the types of memory allocation, that is contiguous and non-contiguous. So we'll spend some time to know the definition of memory and to know the meaning of memory allocation. Okay, let's begin the class. Let's start with the introduction. The memory hierarchy comprises of the cache memory and an unit for managing the memory, that is memory management unit. It's in short, it is called as MMU. And there will be a RAM, a random access memory. In simple, it's called as a memory only. And there will be disk. So these are the things which comes under the memory hierarchy. And then we will be discussing the memory management in two parts. Okay, one, the efficient use of the memory. So in order to use the memory efficiently, we need to follow some techniques. So we'll be learning about the techniques for efficient use of memory and managing the virtual memory. So okay, basically the techniques of for using the memory efficiently is nothing but we'll be learning the memory allocation, that is chapter 5. And about virtual memory, why we need to study this, how to manage the memory which does not exist physically. Okay, the meaning of virtual is which is not something which is not in physical. Okay, so your module 3 has been classified into two sections. One is how efficiently we can use the memory. So we are learning the techniques for efficient use of memory, and next part we'll be learning management of the virtual memory. Okay, by this I conclude lecture 1 and the introduction part also. In the next lecture, I'm going to start with the contiguous memory allocation, the actual starting point of the syllabus. Okay, thank you all for joining the class.